guys, I'll give you a call next week. It was quite good.
Not bad. I think I could use it. Hey, you can use it any way you like, huh?
Maybe we'll use it in that spot next week.
Hey, you left.
Maybe the supper.
Hello, Fly.
Tap. Gee, it's good to see you, man. I heard they were letting you out. Come and have a seat. Max, bring Tap a drink. You still take scotch on the rocks.
No, I don't drink anymore. Just bring me a glass of water.
You heard what the man said. Bring some water.
Very nice place here, Fly. What are you stealing now?
Me steal anything? I don't have to steal anything. I own everything. Even the air you breathe, my friend. I own a bit of that too. What can I do for you, Tap?
I want Johnny Tough. I want him badly. For 6 years, the thought of him dying kept me going. Kept me alive in that stinking prison that he put me into.
Johnny Tough. He's put a lot of guys out of business. He made me lose plenty.
That's why I came to you, Fly. You must know where he is.
That's just the problem. I don't know where he is.
What?
He retired from boxing some time ago. Bought some farm. Nobody knows where.
I want you to find out where the farm is. I want Johnny Tough. I want him now.
I told you, nobody knows. He just disappeared.
Somebody must know.
Hello, Fly. But I got some prime stock for you.
Tap. Meet Rosemary, business partner of mine.
What are you into besides gambling, Fly?
Hey, Fly, who's this guy?
Relax, Rosemary. This is Tap. An old friend of mine. You can speak in front of him. Tap. I know this Arab prince. He pays top dollars for young, tender flesh. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean. Slavery isn't my bag, man.
I hope there weren't any problems.
None whatsoever. No problems, no witnesses, just like clockwork.
Go back to the farm and wait there until you hear from me.
When's that beggar dressed in sheets going to arrive?
I'll phone you and tell you. Hey, what's with you? You're not nervous, are you?
Me nervous, Fly? No way.
Ooh, have I got an idea? Have I got an idea?
What has this got to do with Johnny Tough?
Trust the fly, my friend. Trust the fly. Rosie, baby, how'd you like to make a trip? It's going to be very profitable.
As long as it's profitable, Fly.
Go to this address. Take this. There's some prime merchandise waiting there for you.
Hey, Fly, you are trying my patience. What the hell has this got to do with Johnny Tough?
Tap. You must learn to trust the fly.
Come on, Fly, let's have it.
Well, you see, Johnny Tough has a lawyer. The lawyer knows where he lives. The lawyer also has a pretty daughter.
So? So come on, man, spill it.
The lawyer will lead you to Johnny Tough. And me, I get $5 grand for the daughter.
Hey, Fly, man, I was even going to hand it to you.
Now that that's all settled, I think you should relax. You go upstairs. I got something special lined up for you.
Fly, now you're talking, man. Been a long time.
Been away for 6 years. You must be raring to go.
Are you kidding, man?
Hello, honey.
Hello, kid.
Good morning, darling.
Morning, Dad.
Can I pour you some more tea?
I still have some, thanks. Aren't you late for work this morning?
You know that since your mother died, I like to have breakfast with you.
Thanks, Dad. I like to have breakfast with you, too. But if I don't hurry up, I'll be late for class.
Just think, in a couple of years' time, you two will be a lawyer, my darling daughter.
Not so fast. I still have my final exams to write.
You'll sail through it. Michael and Susan Wade, attorneys at law. What do you think of that, eh?
What do you want? Get out!
Sit down, but, let's play tennis. After the drink. And,
What do you mean? Just get out before I call the police!
call the police. And she's there. I've had breakfast, boys. Bring the dessert. Careful, boys, don't squeeze the boots out. Good, honey. Hey, don't it come? What is this?
If you don't shut up, I'll shut you up. Get out!
What's going on? Sue? Sue? Must have taken her. What do you want? Money? Johnny. I'll go to Johnny. He'll help me. He'll know what to do. You're going to take us to Johnny Tough.
What do you want? Where's my daughter?
You don't. Your daughter dies.
Please, no.
There's another.
Yeah.
Fire. There's another. Another here.
Hey, Tap Tap, gee, you certainly look better. How was it?
Never mind that, man. Have you reached Johnny Tough yet?
Don't worry about a thing. I've sent some of my best men to get him. Won't be long and he'll be here.
I hope so, Fly. I certainly hope so. Man, I'm looking forward to that meeting.
Land of precious gold, gold, gold. Kampala, Ekala, Kampala, Ekala. Get to see.
Thank you, Johnny. That was most interesting. You have a marvelous place here.
Thank you, Chen. I think it's marvelous. When I gave up boxing, I found this place. I just love the peace here.
You've been most kind to invite me here.
Well, you are the best Kung Fu man in China. How else could I learn the art?
I think we should train some more. Don't you ever relax? When training for martial arts, one never relaxes.
Okay, you are the boss. Let's go.
room with the others. I'm going to phone Fly. In the morning, both of you boys. Don't touch.
Ah, you never let us have any fun. You've got a whole room full of women. What's wrong? Oh, Big Mama, come on, man. You're always complaining. Let's have some fun. That's right. Oh, yeah.
Hello, is the Fly there?
Fly. There's a phone call for you, Fly.
Yes,
Hello, Fly. Your merchandise is all safe and sound.
good girl. Just make sure your goons keep their hands off.
Have your boys brought you in Johnny Tough yet?
By the way, what time are you expecting your Royal Highness?
I'm picking him up in a few minutes, then we'll come out to the farm.
I hope your boys don't fail.
They'll never dare fail.
What the hell's going on here? Come on, get out! You idiot!
Oh, man.
Hey, is this the place? Why aren't we there yet? Just coming up to it now. There it is there. Please don't hurt me. Where's my daughter? There's nothing to do with you. We'll sort that all out later on.
Come to fetch you. Tap Tap and the Fly want to see you.
Tap Tap. So they let him out, huh?
Okay, boys, let's get the show on the road.
How much can we get? Who's Tap Tap and the Fly? Just some gangsters I used to know. How did I find you? That, my friend, is what outlaws know. Come, let's go to the gym.
Ian, see you again.
Tap, tap. Nice to meet you, Tap, Tap.
Rosemary's got the merchandise for us at the farm. Wait till you see this one.
Good. Come aboard.
Hey, here's his car.
Hey, we're not going to try again.
They were just lucky. Come, we can't go back to the fly without him.
You're right. I'd rather face them again than go back and face the fly.
Oh, no, not them again. This guy is never late. Right, Sonny. Your turn. Now you're going to deal with me. What's the noise? Hey, let's go. Michael! Johnny, thank God I was doing. Look, they came to the house and they took Susan. They took my daughter. They took my daughter. Johnny, you got to help me. They came this morning. They took my daughter. I don't know what to do. Please, just tell me slowly. What's happening? Susan and I were having breakfast this morning. And this large woman just burst in with two big men. They took Susan. I don't know where they've taken her. I don't know what they want, but please help me, Johnny. She's all I've got.
Just calm down, Michael. We'll get her back.
Thank you, Johnny. Look out, that's one of them. Chair? Take him with us.
I'm asking you one more time. Where did they take Susan to?
Susan? Who's Susan? I don't know any Susan.
Listen, you bloody filth. Susan is my daughter. And if you don't tell me where they have taken her... Johnny, they might do anything to her.
Take it easy, Michael. We will find her.
Johnny, you don't know what Susan means to me. Since her mother died, she's been my whole life. You will tuck. Please, believe me. You will tuck.
Hey, come on. What are you doing? What are you doing first? Come on. What are you doing? Fill it.
Hey, do you see those big cats there? Very hungry. And you're going to be their lunch.
Hey, come on. Come on. Let's talk about it. Come on,
Hey.
Phyllis.
We're through talking. Is your memory getting any better?
Yeah, all right. Come on, Phyllis. I'll talk. Just take it easy.
Where are they holding the girl?
Look, the fly's got a place just outside town near a dam where they keep all the young girls who they're going to supply to the Arab.
Slavery? Johnny, we have to hurry. Please, Johnny.
When is the Arab due?
The Arab Jews this afternoon, and tonight they're shipping the girls out.
We have to hurry. I'm coming with you. Shem, you are a visitor here. I would like to involve you. Johnny, I'd like to help you. I wouldn't miss it for anything. Michael, just open the guy's collar.
Hey, come on, you fellas. Come on. Please, what are you doing? Come on. What are you doing?
I hope you can run faster than the lion. Michael, listen. You go to the police, right? Okay, John. Okay. John, let's get out here. I think I know where the place is.
How did it feel to be that victimized?
What do you guys want here?
We've come to make sure you come back to the fly with us. Guys, hurry. They could be doing anything to her. Please, let's go. Come on.
How's it, anybody? Where's Johnny Tubbs? Where is he? I thought he said he'd be here.
Nobody's come back yet.
I thought your boy wouldn't be. I will not be cheated out of Johnny Tubbs' death.
Don't worry, you'll be here.
That's what I'm afraid of. He'll be here without your boy.
Salam, Rosemary. Let's examine the goods.
They're in the room. They're all safe and sound. Come on, boys. Go and fetch the girls.
Don't worry, Samir. Relax. Take it easy. Trust the fly. You two, you look worried. You'll be here.
Come on. Come on. Come.
Last time you'll see some real good stock. Outside the line. Come. What did we hear? Come. As I was telling you, Highness, top stock. This is number one. Number one on the list. Very good. Maybe the best of the lot. Look at the body. You happy with that? Rosie, take it. Now an African beauty here. Kidnapped from the king himself. Look at this. Especially bought for childbirth. An oriental beauty, Your Highness. The likes that you've never seen before. Pick your head up. Very good. You happy? Very good, Flan. All right. Rosie Bailey, you've done well. Another one of the king's wives. But this one, if I tell you, was the king's special one. Top quality merchandise. As always, the fly brings you the best. Look at this. Another one of the king's many wives. Okay, a stubborn one, this. A real stubborn one. And now, Your Highness, the pick of the bunch.
This one I think I'll keep for myself.
I thought you'd like this one. This one a little bit more costly. Not that much more, but for you, you'll like it. Take it, Rosie. Right, Your Highness, you see.
Well done, Rosemary.
Rosie always does well. Always does well. Now, as I was saying.
Rosemary, get the goat together. I'm in a hurry.
Come, boys, let's take the goat.
You see, Your Highness, as I was telling you. Come. Rosie, baby. I know.
There's a good parcel. Good parcel.
Very good parcel. And next time will be better.
Come, I'm in a hurry.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You know what I like.
All check. All there.
I trust you. Right, let's go.
Hold your horses, Black. You know you promised me Johnny South. I want him now. What happened?
Tap.
I thought we'd find him, yeah?
Tap. You'll be here soon.
What's good enough? What's good enough for me?
I'm coming.
Ah, Johnny South. I knew you'd come.
I knew you'd come.
Come here. Come, let's get out of here. That's it. Chen, double. I'll deal with it. Okay. Let's get them.
Oh, Johnny! Hey, oh, Johnny!
Don't put him come here. Philip, come here. Come on, come here. Watch out for his feet. Oh, yeah. Come on, come here, kill him. That's it.
Okay, girls, got it.
Leave me alone. Take the money, take the girl, and just leave me alone. Here's the money.
So we meet again. Johnny Tap.
This is not a social visit. And I intend to make it a short meeting.
Don't come any closer. I'll kill the girl.
Jane, get away with it.
I'm a bad loser, and I don't play by the rules.
That found just saved your life. Are you okay, Susan? Oh, my darling. Are you all right? Thank God. Johnny, Jen, I don't know how to thank you.
Johnny, that's right. We don't know how to repay you.
Susan, all you can do for me is pass your final exam and be a lawyer.
She'll do that, won't you?
Johnny, these guys are good. Just like our guys back home. I told you my guys are good. Come, let's go and train. Now, relax a bit. Let's watch some more. I don't believe it. You don't want to train.